Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to split PDF or extract PDF without installing any software easily. See, I have a PDF file. I split some of page this PDF file. Open PDF file in Microsoft Edge browser. See, this PDF file has 10 pages. Click the print icon or press Ctrl P on your keyboard. From the printer option, select Adobe PDF. Now type your split page number. I split 4 to 8 page. Now click Print. Save your destination. See, file split successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.